Sodium bicarbonate, more often known as baking soda, is a white powder that finds its primary application in the kitchen. Alternatively, if you are a middle school student, you may know baking soda as the substance used to make a raging volcano at a science fair. What if, however, we were to tell you that baking soda has many additional uses besides these two? Baking soda, it turns out, may be used for more than just making baked goods and simulating volcanic eruptions. Here are a few examples of how regularly incorporating baking soda into your routine can have a significant positive impact on your health. We do, however, highly recommend speaking to your doctor before using these benefits. Let's get started. 1. Reduces canker sores. Canker sores are extremely uncomfortable and unpleasant. As luck would have it, baking soda can help alleviate and even eliminate the pain. Baking soda is often recommended as a treatment for canker sores. The powder's alkalinity will help reduce the irritating effects of acids on the canker sore, and its antibacterial properties will aid in healing the sore. To create this remedy for yourself in a small bowl, combine a pinch of baking soda with a tiny amount of water to form a paste. Apply it to the painful canker. If the thought of that gives you the willies, you may always rinse with baking soda and water instead. Before putting your hands in your mouth, be sure you've washed them. 2. Relieve acid reflux. Heartburn affects more than 60 million people in the United States. About 15% of the population suffers from chronic heartburn every day. When regular heartburn occurs, a change in diet is often suggested as a solution. But you still need a solution for those times when heartburn strikes and no medication is handy. Baking soda and water, about a tablespoon's worth, may help. Ingestion of baking soda is reported to reduce stomach acid, though further evidence is needed to confirm this claim. Sodium bicarbonate can be used to treat acid reflux since it is a natural antacid, and it can commonly be found as the main ingredient in many acid reflux medications. 3. Gets rid of filthy fridge smell. Putting baking soda in the fridge gets rid of smelly molecules in food. Mold, yeast, or spoiled food are usually to blame for refrigerator odors. When bacteria digest food in the fridge, they can produce odoriferous acidic or alkaline molecules. And once you open the door to the fridge, you may be welcomed by either buric acid, a bile-scented fatty acid produced by old butter, or amines, which is a sour-smelling basic chemical produced by meat that has gone bad. Baking soda is an amphoteric substance. Hence, it neutralizes the pH of acidic solutions and reduces the odor of strong alkaline solutions by either converting them to odorless sodium salts or neutralizing the acidic solution. To get rid of the smells, put some baking soda on a plate. When you are ready, turn off the power to your fridge and take everything out. When everything is put away, put the plate in the refrigerator and wait about 20 to 30 minutes. This will absorb the bad smell and leave you with a nice-smelling fridge. 4. May relieve arthritis pain. Recent research suggests that baking soda may be useful in the treatment of rheumatoid arthritis. Pain, swelling, stiffness, and even the inability of a joint to move may be symptoms of rheumatoid arthritis, an inflammatory disease that attacks the body's joints. Macrophages play a role in inflammation. Macrophages are immune cells that, upon recognizing a pathogen, such as a virus, release inflammatory signals. According to researchers, baking soda altered the way that macrophages sent these signals. They did not send out a signal of attack, rather, they sent out a message of calm. Because of this, inflammation was reduced. This has the potential to revolutionize the treatment of autoimmune diseases. 5. Remove stains. It can be very annoying to find a stain on your clothes or even on your furniture, but once again, baking soda can be quite useful in this situation. You can use the old-fashioned combination of baking soda and water. Using only a quarter cup of water and 4 tablespoons of baking soda, along with a hint of dish soap, you can make a thick paste. With this thick paste, all types of stains can be removed. Simply scrub the thick paste on the stains and wipe it off with a clean cloth. Your clothes and furniture will look as clean as they once did. 6. Helps whiten your teeth. Teeth will reveal signs of neglect if we don't take care of them. It's not always enough to just brush your teeth. Baking soda has inherent bleaching abilities. Baking soda-containing toothpastes have been shown to be more successful at removing yellow stains than those without. In addition, studies have shown that baking soda effectively eliminates plaque. Baking soda's alkaline effects on the mouth kill microorganisms and protect teeth from decay. Combine some lemon juice with baking soda. You can use lemon juice to help remove persistent stains from your teeth and gums. When it's done, use it to clean your teeth with a toothbrush. Know that this is not a quick remedy before you try it on your own. Baking soda is a mild treatment for initial concerns, but some tooth damage can be rather extensive. 7. May help your kidneys. Some studies have shown that baking soda can help you feel better by reducing your risk of developing chronic kidney disease. This is a serious condition that, as its name implies, specifically targets your kidneys and causes them to gradually lose function over time. It is crucial to keep your kidneys healthy in order to keep the rest of your body working as they filter your blood and rid it of extra waste. Patients with chronic kidney disease may be able to delay or even avoid the need for dialysis if they take a daily dose of baking soda. Adults with chronic renal disease who took a baking soda-based supplement on a regular basis reduced their risk of kidney failure by 36%, according to one study. Over the course of 2 years, participants with chronic kidney disease and metabolic acidosis who took oral bicarbonate supplements benefited from the treatment, according to the findings of a randomized controlled trial. 8. Treats dry skin. Baking soda's anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties make it a useful remedy for puffy, itchy skin. Just combine a little bit of coconut oil with some baking soda. This will make a nice paste which can be left on the skin for up to 5 minutes. Once you rub it in, it will then reduce redness and irritation. Additionally, feet with dry skin can benefit from baking soda. This treatment will take a short amount of time on your part. Take 15 to 20 minutes to soak your feet in warm water. Then combine some baking soda and water. Apply it to your feet and rub it in. This will remove all the dead skin from your feet and even soothe cracked heels. 9. An effective body scrub. You can get rid of dull, flaky skin and achieve a radiant complexion by making your own all-natural body scrub. This hack is similar to the one we just mentioned. To make this, start by mixing 3 parts baking soda and 1 part water. A thick paste will result from this. When you're ready to scrub, apply the paste and massage it into the skin in circular motions. You may find that your skin looks and feels more radiant and healthy afterward. This special baking soda paste will leave your skin feeling soft and looking fresh after only 1 use. 10. Bad breath solution. Every one of us has awoken to find that we have bad morning breath. However, if you have foul breath, baking soda is a miracle cure. The accumulation of acid-forming foods on your teeth is a common cause of bad breath, also known as halitosis. This might include both unhealthy and nutritious fare. But do you dislike how some mouthwashes sting your mouth? What about using baking soda as a mouthwash to fix your bad breath? Baking soda can be added to warm water as a mouthwash to clean hard-to-reach areas, remove plaque, whiten teeth, and eliminate bad breath due to its abrasive and antibacterial properties, as supported by scientific research. 11. Helps relieve insect bites irritation. You might get some relief from mosquito bites by using baking soda. You can make a paste by combining 1 tablespoon of baking soda with a small amount of water. After thoroughly combining the two, apply the paste to the bite and let it sit for about 10 minutes before rinsing it off. Remember, this is ideal for treating only mosquito bites. If you've been bitten by anything else and are experiencing unusual symptoms, it's important to visit a doctor. 12. All-natural deodorant. Most of us have our go-to deodorant like Old Spice, but I thought I'd let you know that baking soda works just as well. Baking soda is an all-natural alternative to commercial deodorant and effectively eliminates underarm stink. Add 1/8 teaspoon of baking soda to 1/8 teaspoon of water. Make sure it does not completely dissolve. Once combined, it can be rubbed under the arm. When combined with cornstarch, baking soda is equally potent. A mixture of 1 part baking soda and 1 part cornstarch is equally effective against body odor. 13. May help fight cancer. In addition to its many other potential benefits, baking soda may also aid people receiving treatment for certain forms of cancer. Researchers have shown that baking soda may improve the efficacy of chemotherapy in treating cancer because it reduces the acidity of the tumor environment, making it easier for the chemotherapy drugs to limit the proliferation of cancer cells. However, further research on humans is needed to prove the true efficacy of this idea, as this study is still in its early stages and testing was primarily performed on animals in cell studies. Today we learned about powerful benefits of baking soda. But did you know that there are useful things in your pantry that can be beneficial to your health? Are you interested in knowing more about tips and tricks to shed pounds easily? Let's keep the conversation going with a couple more weight loss related videos. Shall we? Watch 16 healthy foods that help you lose the most weight. You may also try our video on 13 weight loss tips to get rid of your bloated belly fat. Go ahead, click one. Or better yet, watch both and learn more about weight loss and nutrition. What other fruits should seniors eat? Let us know in the comments below.